so this is to show you how to possibly find a dent when you can't see it from the inside. You can see it from the outside, but not the inside. One trick that I use is a magnet, okay? So I put the magnet on the outside of the panel, okay? I can't see inside, but the hammer, as you can see, wants to go to the magnet. So I know that's where the problem is, okay? So that's one way. The other way is you've got a dent. You can barely see it from the outside, okay? And you can look inside and it's all dirty, and you can't really discern it one way or the other. So here's our tiny little dent from the outside that we can barely see, okay? We go inside, we want to know where to push or hit or whatever we're going to do, okay? You take a piece of sandpaper, run it over the panel, okay? All right. Now you got a shiny spot, that's low, that's where you push. And again, not trying to tell anybody what to do or anything else, just thought I'd throw it out there for you guys, and thanks a lot.